What's up, guys? We're right now on our way to go pick up our new car. It's gonna be so cool. It's not too loud.
No, it was good.
So we're on our way right now. We're going to the bank.
A little quieter, a little quieter.
Every step is moving me up.
You don't know this song.
So far we're thinking I should throw on these trim pieces, new door handles, probably a new windshield sooner or later. Interior, clean her up, fix a janky seat more. Probably throw the boots back on and maybe get that door cover. Pretty gross.
Comes stock with a D16 Y7. We got a small sweat from the valve cover gasket. We got oil in there.
Got some oil, that's a good sign. A new engine in it, or eBay turbo kit on there.
Might go with a B series engine swap. eBay turbo this engine and see how long it lasts.
Aftermarket smoked headlights.
98. City swapped it to a 98 front bumper. We got a front lip on there. Type R grill. Here it is, baby. Woo! Taking the carbon fiber off the trunk.
Last piece, baby. That's a wrap. No more carbon fiber.
Hey, right. Elon Musk's son has his autograph here.
Elon Musk's son.
Yeah. The guy threw in with the car. Brand new oil pan, a hood release cable, got an ignition wire set. We got new door handles, Type R front grille. We got an oil pan gasket, and valve cover gasket. So that stuff is leaking slightly.
Bumper wrap, nice.
Have the door trims, a console, shift boot, and also new pads, new rotors.
Man,
Oh
that
yeah, that's
headlight
gonna look
looks so
sweet. Carbon fiber off. We still have the blue to get off the bumper and the blue to get off this. Stay tuned. Keep up with us. Watch the videos. There'll be probably new videos every week or so.
We're
Taking
impatient. Couldn't wait till tomorrow, so Hour 5, taking off the blue wrap. Got it all goo-goned up, and there she goes, baby. Probably about 3 more hours, we'll have this done. We won't be on. All right. 2:30 a.m. So we've been out here for 9 hours. Just getting that. God, dude, it grabbed my finger. Oh my God. What is that? Holy crap, that's massive. Oh, oh crap. Oh, straight from my light. Thanks for staying tuned. Thanks for watching. And subscribe and tell your mom to come watch the video. We're gonna post a video next week.